Hi students, welcome to PhD Jobs and Admission. This is Gauri. So in today's session, we are going to see Pondicherry University's PhD entrance test, research methodology, subject preparation tips and tricks. Okay. So specifically, we are going to see most expected MCQs on use of techniques for research under research methodology subject. Okay. So in this topic, we are exactly going to see MCQs on methods to search required information effectively in research, then MCQs on reference management software, for example, EndNote and etc. MCQs on software for paper formatting and software for detection of plagiarism. So on this topic you can expect 5 MCQs in PhD entrance test at Pondicherry University according to the syllabus of research methodology subject. So students, the MCQs that I am going to take in this session, you can exactly expect these MCQs in PhD entrance test at Pondicherry University. And that's why this video will be really helpful to all the students so that they can score full marks in this topic in the PhD entrance test. Okay, so now let us begin with this session. So students, as you know that there is PhD entrance test at Pondicherry University and it is on 12th and 13th August. So it is really very nearby now and you have 10 days left. So to prepare very well is really very essential for all the students, and for the preparation we provide research methodology complete course. With the help of this complete course, all the students can guaranteed score 50% marks so that they can qualify the PhD entrance test. In this PhD entrance test, they will ask you 50% MCQs on research methodology and 50% MCQs on concerned subject. Okay, so students, by the use of this complete course, all the students can guaranteed score 50% marks in research methodology subject itself, and they can qualify the PhD entrance test. And there is also negative marking. So this complete course will be helpful to all the students to minimize the negative marking and maximize the positive marking. In this course we provide full syllabus video lectures under which theory and MCQ lectures series are available. We provide full syllabus notes and mock tests. We have 10 mock tests like this. Each mock test contains 40 MCQs. That's why all the students can guaranteed solve 400 MCQs in these mock tests, and they can check their preparation level by solving the mock test. In this we provide more than 1500 MCQs revision PDF and more than 100 solved PYQs PDF. By the use of these PDFs, all the students can guaranteed solve most of the expected MCQs for research methodology in PhD entrance test for this year, and they will get guaranteed 80% MCQs from this PDFs only out of 100% MCQs in the research methodology section of the PhD entrance test. By the use of this revision PDF, all the students can guaranteed revise all the topics in a single PDF. And all of this study material will be available in both the languages, that is Hindi and English. So students, the topics that I have mentioned on this screen, on all of these topics we have video lectures, notes, mock test, revision PDF and PYQs PDF, which will be really helpful to all the students, because on all of these topics they will ask you questions under research methodology section at PhD entrance test. So students, if you want to buy this complete course, then you can either download the Global Online app from the Play Store. For that I have given the link in the description box of this video, or else you can contact me through these WhatsApp numbers. And the course fees are only 699, and in this low fees we provide guaranteed selection to all the students. And in today's session specifically we are going to see this last topic, that is use of tools for research. Okay, so now let us begin. Which of the following is a reference management software? Now they have given you different options, and from these options there is a one option which is a reference management software. Which is that? Whether it is EndNote, whether it is Grammarly, whether it is Turnitin, whether it is Microsoft Word. Now students, let us see one by one all of these options. Now what is EndNote? So students, EndNote is a software that we use to manage bibliographies. Okay, we can manage the bibliographies by using this software. As well, we can manage the references when writing essays and articles. And that's why EndNote is nothing but a reference management software. By using that, we can manage different bibliographies and references while writing a research paper or research article. So that's why here your correct answer should be what? 1, that is EndNote. Grammarly, all of you know that what is Grammarly. Grammarly can be used to check your spelling, grammar and punctuation in the English language. Turnitin is a software which can be used to check the plagiarism in a research article, and it is a paid software. Okay, and it can be used by most of the universities and institutions within the world, and Turnitin provides the licenses which are paid licenses to the universities and institutions, and they can use it worldwide. Microsoft Word, all of you know that it is a processor, or you can say a word processor, and it is usable to edit the text documents, and you can do different things with the text document by using Microsoft Word. So that's why here your correct answer should be what? 1. Which of the following is a software for paper formatting? Now they have given you different options, and from these options, which is a software which is usable for formatting the paper. Formatting the paper means what? Organizing the research paper, organizing the documents. Okay, Mendeley, Zotero, LaTeX or PlagScan. So what is that? So students, now let us see one by one all of these options. Now let us see what is Mendeley. So students, Mendeley is a reference management software, and it will help you to collect, organize, cite and share research. Okay, and Zotero is also a reference management software which will help you to collect, organize, cite and share research. Okay, what is LaTeX? Now LaTeX is a paper formatting software, and this is nothing but a typesetting system. Okay, this is a typesetting system, and it is paper formatting software. It has the features for production of technical and scientific documentation, and it is de facto standard for communication and publication of scientific documents. And PlagScan is nothing but a plagiarism detection software. Now all of you understood that from these options the correct answer should be LaTeX, because LaTeX is a software for paper formatting, because it has those features for paper formatting. Okay, so students, we provide Pondicherry University PhD entrance test paper to study material. With the help of this study material, all the students can guaranteed score more marks in paper 2, and they can guaranteed qualify the PhD entrance test. In this we provide full syllabus notes and MCQs. In the MCQs we provide most expected MCQs and PYQs. By the use of them, all the students can guaranteed score more marks in paper 2. The subjects that I have mentioned on this screen, on all of these subjects we provide currently paper to study material. If you want study material for any other subject, then you can ask me in the comment box. Paper to study material fees are only 999, and in this low fees we provide guaranteed selection to all the students. So students, to join our courses you can contact me through these WhatsApp numbers which I have mentioned on the screen. So students, this paper to study material will be helpful to qualify the entrance exam, as well it will be helpful to qualify the interview session, because within the interview session examiners will ask you a lot of questions on your concerned subject topic. Okay, which of the software is for detection of plagiarism? Now they have given you different options, and from these options, which is a software for the detection of plagiarism? Whether it is EndNote, whether it is Grammarly, whether it is Turnitin, whether it is Microsoft Word. So students, as you know that plagiarism means what? Copying the material of other author or researcher without giving acknowledgement to him or her, right? So as we know that EndNote is nothing but what? A reference management software. So we can't detect the plagiarism by using this software. So this is eliminated. Grammarly is the software which can be usable to basically check the grammar, then punctuation and spelling in the English language. So we can't use it for detection of plagiarism. Turnitin is the software that we can use for detection of plagiarism, and it's a paid software. By using this we can check the similarity between submitted document against the available lot of databases available. Okay, and Turnitin is a company, and basically it gives its licenses to different universities and institutions, and those use this Turnitin software on a large scale. So that's why here your correct answer should be what? Turnitin. And all of you know that what is Microsoft Word, right? Which of the following plagiarism software is available under open access? Now from these options there is a one option which is a plagiarism software, and it is available under open access. Under open access means there is no need to pay the fees for it. Okay, it gives you the functioning, that too free of cost. So whether it is Turnitin, whether it is Urkund, whether it is Viper, whether it is all of these, invalid. So students, here if you see all of these options, then you can understand that Turnitin, Urkund and Viper, all of these are the plagiarism software. Okay, so as we have seen, Turnitin is a paid software. Okay, we have to pay them for the checking the plagiarism. So this is eliminated. Urkund is again a plagiarism detection software, and for this as well we need to pay it so that we can check the plagiarism. So this is also eliminated. So Viper is your correct answer, because Viper is a plagiarism detection software and it is available under open access. It means that it is paid and also it is free of cost. So those who want to use it on a free of cost basis, they can use it. Those who wants to pay for it, they can pay it. But you can basically detect the plagiarism by using this software under open access. Okay, which of the following software is a paid software for checking the similarity index in a research paper? Now they have given you different options, and from these options, which is a software, which is a paid software that we can use to check the similarity index in a research paper. Checking similarity index in a research paper means that you are checking the plagiarism itself. So now let us see the options: Viper, Plag, Track, Urkund and Copyleaks. So if you see all of these options, as we have seen earlier, Viper is a plagiarism detection software and it is not paid software. It is free of cost. So this option is getting eliminated. Plag Track is again a plagiarism detection software and it is also not paid. It is free of cost. So this is eliminated. And Copyleaks is also a plagiarism detection software and it is nothing but a AI based plagiarism detection tool. AI means what? Artificial intelligence. Okay, so this software is based upon this, and this is also a not paid software. So that's why this is also gets eliminated. So your correct answer should be what? 3, that is Urkund. Okay, so this is your correct answer. This is a paid software for checking the similarity index in a research paper. Plagiarism cannot be detected by. So now they have given you different options, and from these options, which is the option from which we can't detect the plagiarism? So whether it is Scopus, whether it is Turnitin, whether it is Authenticate, or both 2 and 3. So let us see one by one all of these options. Now what is Scopus? So students, Scopus is nothing but a database of abstracts. Okay, this is a database of abstracts and citation for scholarly journal articles. Okay, that's why we can't detect the plagiarism by using this software. So this is your correct answer. And if you see all other options, that is Turnitin and Authenticate, so both of these are the plagiarism detection softwares. Now you have understood what are the softwares for plagiarism detection, what are the softwares for checking the references and managing the references basically, what are the softwares for paper formatting, and now Scopus is nothing but a database for abstracts and citations for scholarly journal articles. Okay, which of the following software can be used to format a research paper according to a specific style guide? So now they have given you different softwares, and from these different softwares, which is a software that we use to format a research paper according to a specific style guide. So whether it is EndNote, whether it is Grammarly, whether it is Turnitin, whether it is Microsoft Word. So students, as you know that EndNote is a reference management software, and that's why you can organize lots of references by using EndNote in a research paper according to a specific referencing style guide. Okay, referencing style guide. Okay, so this is your correct answer, because EndNote is a software that can be used to format a research paper according to a specific referencing style guide. Grammarly is a basically grammar, punctuation and spelling detection software. Turnitin is a plagiarism detection software, and all of you know that what is Microsoft Word. By using Microsoft Word also you can format a research paper, but EndNote is a software. Are you getting? That's why here your correct answer should be 1. Which of the following software can be used to create professional looking documents such as research papers with advanced formatting options? Now from these options, which is an option or which is a software that we can use to create professional looking documents like research papers which has advanced formatting options? Mendeley, Zotero, LaTeX, PlagScan. So students, as we have seen, Mendeley is nothing but what? Reference management software. Zotero is also reference management software. LaTeX is nothing but what? A paper formatting software, and it has typesetting system. It has features for production of technical and scientific documentations, and it is de facto standard for communication and publication of scientific documents. That's why LaTeX is a kind of a software that we can use to create professional looking documents like research papers, and it also has advanced formatting options. So this should be your correct answer, that is LaTeX. PlagScan is nothing but a plagiarism detection software. So option 1, 2 and 3 are getting eliminated and 4 getting eliminated. So your correct answer should be what? 3. Which of the following reference management software can be used to organize and cite references in a research paper? So they have given you different options, and from these options, which is a reference management software that can be used to organize and cite references in a research paper? Mendeley, Zotero, LaTeX, PlagScan. Now all of you familiar with all of these softwares, right? So LaTeX is nothing but what? A paper formatting software. This is not a reference management software, so this option is getting eliminated. PlagScan is a plagiarism detection software, so this is also eliminated. So now you need to select the precise option from these two options, because both of these are the reference management softwares. So now let us see what is Mendeley. So Mendeley is a free reference manager and academic social network that helps to organize research. So it is helpful to organize the research. So basically you can organize the research paper by using this software, and also you can collaborate with others online. You can discover latest research as well by using Mendeley. Okay, now let us see what we can do by using Zotero. So Zotero is a free, easy to use tool to help collect. So you can collect, then organize and cite and share research papers by using Zotero. So exactly you can do organization and you can also cite references in a research paper by using Zotero. But by using Mendeley you can organize research paper, and apart from that you can collaborate with others online and you can discover latest research papers. But by using Zotero you can organize and cite references in a research paper. So your precise answer here should be what? Zotero. Though Mendeley is also a reference management software, but here they have precisely asked you the organize and cite references in a research paper functioning, and which is basically available in Zotero reference management software. Though both are the same kinds of software, but their functioning is how much, basically somehow different. Okay, that's why here your correct answer should be what? 2. Which of the following reference management software can be used to automatically generate bibliographies and citations in a research paper? Now from these options, which is the reference management software that can be used to automatically generate bibliographies and citations in a research paper? So whether it is EndNote, whether it is Grammarly, whether it is Turnitin, whether it is Microsoft Word. So students, EndNote is a reference management software. Grammarly is nothing but what? A software to check the grammar, spelling and punctuation in English language. Turnitin is a plagiarism detection software. And all of you know that what is Microsoft Word. So here your correct answer should be what? EndNote, because EndNote is a reference management software that all of we already know, and as well it is useful to automatically generate bibliographies and citations in a research paper. Now students, you have now understood what are the plagiarism detection softwares that we have seen in this session, and those are what? Turnitin, we have seen Turnitin, which is one of the most useful plagiarism detection software. Then Urkund is there, right? We have seen Authenticate was there. Then PlagScan was there, right? Then PlagTrack was there, right? So all of these are nothing but what? Plagiarism detection softwares. And if you see reference management softwares, then from that the first one is what? EndNote. Another one is what? Zotero, right? And the next one is what? Mendeley. So these are what? The reference management softwares. And if you see research paper formatting software, then there is only one that we have seen, which is what? LaTeX. And we have also seen Scopus, which is nothing but what? A database which is for abstracts and citations for scholarly journal articles. So you need to remember all of these softwares, okay, because in the PhD entrance test at Pondicherry University, they will ask you minimum 5 MCQs on these topics. Okay, that's why I have taken this session specially for this. Okay, so students, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment box, and let us see, if you have any doubts you can ask me. Okay, and thank you for watching this session.